So now what you can also do inside of Notion is add in something called a breadcrumb block. So if I were to go ahead and type in breadcrumb right here just like this, then you can see that I actually get an address right here of this particular piece. So this block space is under let's say new page right here, and just like over here you can see the breadcrumb right here that you can go ahead and click right here. If I were to go around over here and let's say for example type in breadcrumb, you can see that I have access to new page right here. And as I actually were to go ahead and let's say for example type in this, you can see that it links with the breadcrumb right here. So let's say for example I'm going to go around under blocks, and you can see that this is the breadcrumb, and in certain section, let's say for example I want to add the same breadcrumb, then I can simply add in breadcrumb, and then you can see that that block is inserted. For some reason, if you want to go ahead and show the address, then you can utilize the breadcrumb block that you see right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.